TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see two recruitment updates. The first one is from PhonePe and the second one is an internship update from AWS. So this video is actually for people with diploma or any graduation or even for students. Okay. So if you belong to any of this category, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first post is from PhonePe. That is the first update is from PhonePe, and the post name is Play Store Specialist. So this is actually more a customer interaction or a customer service kind of a job. You'll be dealing with the Play Store comments. You'll be responding to the comments. That is going to be the nature of job. And the requirements they have given here is very basic. Let us move on to the requirements. Key skills required is excellent written and verbal communication skills, problem solving skills, documentation, specification skills, self-motivated and result-oriented person, then ability to multitask, ability to listen, understand the concerns. So this is the requirements. So there is no specific skill or qualification requirement. So if you are having any graduation or if you are having a diploma or even if you are a student, you are eligible to apply for this post. Okay. So the primary job of a Play Store specialist is actually to respond to the reviews on Play Store app, and you are going to deal with the concerns. You are going to deal with uh, the the reviews of the customers. Okay, so that is going to be the nature of this job. Okay, here they have actually given the details about the role and also the skills. So if you are interested, you can definitely apply for this post, and a lot of people are eligible here. Okay, so that is the first post, which is from PhonePe. In order to apply for this post, just click on this icon which is called apply now. Now you can see an application form. So in order to apply for this post, you can either go for LinkedIn. That is, you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can directly fill up this application form. The fields are first name, last name, email ID, phone number. Then you have to attach your resume and cover letter, which is not mandatory thing. Then the school detail, degree detail, discipline, start date, end date, and then you can add the educational details. You can add the LinkedIn profile, then current career state, current compensation. If you are working currently, you can give those details. Okay, otherwise you can give the fields is nil. Okay, so here they have actually not asked for any experience, so all the freshers are eligible to apply here. And talking about the selection process, here will be consisting of minimum 3 stages. The first stage is going to be an aptitude test. They have clearly mentioned that you should be a multitasking person and you should be having good problem solving skills. So there will be aptitude examination for sure. And then there will be technical rounds, and then there will be HR round. That is going to be the 3 stages of selection here. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment update from PhonePe. Searching for a job is a hard thing, right? But the hardest thing is being a fresher and searching for a job. Now, Relevel has come up with a solution in which, being a fresher, you can get placed in your dream company, not just any small company, but big companies. Okay, so here it is actually completely free of cost thing. You don't have to pay any money here. You just have to register here for free, and then you have to book a test slot. And after booking the test slot, you have to record your video resume within the next 24 hours. And then you have to give the test. And if you get a good score, the score speaks for you and big companies will hire you based on your score. Okay. So after getting the score, you have to create a profile in Relevel. And based on the profile, you don't have to actually go to different company sites and you don't have to apply multiple times. The companies will come to you, the companies will hire you, and you will get your dream job and your dream package. Okay, so this is actually a very good thing, especially if you are a fresher. Okay, so all the freshers, please check out the link in description. This is a completely free of cost thing. You can improve your aptitude skills also, and you can get your dream company. Okay, so please do check out the link in description. Next, we are going to see about AWS Cloud Virtual Internship update. So this is actually an internship update which they have posted in AICT internship site. So it is actually an AICT site, and where you can actually find a lot of internships. I'll be doing a separate video about how to actually find internships uh, in your city itself. Okay, lot of internship updates is there, and for every state different openings is there for various cities or various districts. Okay, so we'll be doing a separate video on that, but in this video we are going to see about the AWS virtual internship. So this is a virtual internship, very clearly they have mentioned here. So you can do this internship from your home itself, and I'm going to give you a very good detail about how this is going to happen. So this is going to be a 2 months program. The first 4 weeks out of this 2 months is going to be a training period. You will be going through the training. You'll be actually doing a lot of assessments, completing a lot of online assessments and all. And the next 4 weeks you are going to do a project. Okay, so this is going to be the nature of this virtual internship. So this is not just a learning activity, it is actually going to be a hands-on experience also. Okay, so the last day to apply here is 30th of September is going to be the last date. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. They are not providing any stipend as such, but here they have clearly mentioned that you will get opportunities to participate in the hiring process. Okay, so you will be actually getting a direct enrollment to the hiring process, or you can actually participate in the hiring process in global corporates. Okay, and other than that, you will get a course completion certificate and digital badge from AWS. Internship certificate you will be getting from AICT, MOE and EduSkills, and internship digital badge. So these are going to be the benefits. Even though it is not having a stipend, you are going to get a very good training experience, and also you are going to get a live project. You are going to work in a project. Okay, so this is actually a very big opportunity, and the eligibility is who can apply. Okay, so the students currently pursuing either BB Tech or MEM Tech or MCA or diploma, these candidates are eligible. Okay, any engineering background or polytechnic institutions can apply. Okay, and any year any branch can apply for this 2 months program. So this is a 2 months program, and first 4 weeks is going to be training plus online assessment, and the first 4 weeks is going to be training plus online assessment. Next 4 weeks is going to be the project. Okay, so that is the second update, which is from AWS. Okay, so they have not given any selection process as such, but they have given that there is going to be 10,000 openings. Okay, so a lot of people are actually having openings here, and they are actually conducting a bulk hiring for this internship. Okay, so if you are interested, you can definitely check out the link which I'll be putting in description box. Other than that, you can actually find a lot of other internships also. In your nearby place or in your nearby city, you can find internships through this AICT internship portal. Okay, I'll be doing a separate video on that. So please wait for that video if you are interested in internships, virtual internships and all. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, and also share the video with your friends. And thanks for watching, and keep on watching.